The one who's got the title, then he needs someone that he don't know. Yeah. Say a prayer and chant a psalm. Prayer that keeps the evil calm. You don't have to go to church to be Christian to call and Donovan it's your name. Shout out the name Donovan in the valley. Shout out Donovan on the
Check.
All right. Selector. Me tell you, say me want a song, but you know, play this song. Let me tell you why I want this song. My grandmother come from Chantilly. My father come from Davidton. My grandfather come from Davidton. So where me come from? All right, my father said to come.
My father born ya, my father born ya, my grandmother born ya, my grandmother born ya, I born ya, born ya, my leader born ya.
All right, I said, I will take heed unto my ways, that I sin not with my tongue. I will keep my mouth with a bridle, while the wicked is before me. Last year, I couldn't stay with you long because I had a problem in Royal Flat, so I had to leave. But this year, I want to talk to you for a couple minutes. But let me greet our guest speaker, Comrade Buchanan. And I have no doubt in my mind that he will win East Portland. If you want any help, call me. I have a church in Portland. I preach up at Trinityville. I preach up at Fair Hill. So I have no church out there. We come down and contact the people and feel. But I want to greet Comrade Philip Paulwell, my former boss. He placed me on 2 boards earlier, the JBI and Nessal. And we did well, because at that time we brought light to Bunting Boulevard, and there was another place on Brent. Low Street, right, and we brought light to Marley Mount, so we did some work. But I want to big up all my councillors, my MPs in waiting, everybody. I see my children, them out here all over the place. Enough picking me have, me no waste time. Someone no waste time as. But it would be remiss of me not to pick up Mr. Black, because I don't want the people on social media to kill me. Because Melo called me and said, bring up the boss here. Michelle called me and said, bring up the boss here. Charmaine Harrison called me and said, bring up the boss here. Mr. Lowe from Canada called me and said, bring up the boss. And I was here Friday. I traveled jobs and I went up to Top Coffee Grove to look at some things. And I pick up a young man and he was coming to our talking and he say, you know, says Mr. Black father used to carry my mother, go and market and then place there. And him say, make sure when you talk Sunday night, you big up Mr. Black, because he is the father of Manchester. And all of Manchester. I hear a lady run a farm out. And I'm trying to behave myself tonight. I just said the young people, them not following the PNP in a central Manchester. But when I look in the crowd tonight, if when me see the young people, my mother is a man. Because I'm sure I can count over 500 young people standing at the Bellfield High School tonight. Young people, big up on yourself. I want to big up our regional chairman, Comrade McCarthy. But I want to big up Mr. PNP list. Make a turn up the mic because I want everybody to hear. This man sleep PNP list. He wake up PNP list. He takes your PNP list. Big up Deputy General Secretary. Comrade. Up to today, when I came here, I saw a text message talking about the PNP list. Comrade Wensford Kefri, the national campaign direct manager for the People's National Party. But Bellefield Division, I want to big you up. The workers, the warriors, the foot soldiers, the farmers, the teachers, the nurses, the business people of the Bellefield Division. I see you and I hear you cry. I come into your rescue. But I must pick up the other divisions. I see people from all about. I see a nice lady somewhere over there, Comrade Heather Robinson, a friend of ours in the crowd. Comrades, you look good. I wish all of you could have come over here, so, and stand up here, so, and look on yourself down there, so. But there's a lady in my life. Sometimes when I see her calling, I think hard if I want to take the message. Because she don't mince her words. She tell you as it is. If you like it, your business. If you don't like it, your business. But she tell you. I want to bring up her brain. Comrade Brenda Ramsey. I took over from her at the Manchester Municipal Corporation. One councillor then used to say, boy, yeah, Brenda bad dog, you know, because when Brenda afraid to do anything I use, she call. But I say go. Me don't know nobody else. She born the 13th of March and me born the 13th of April, so 13 and 13 are 26. Eh? All right. Philippians chapter 3 verses 12, 13 and 14. Brethren, I think of myself not to have reached, but I'm putting the things that are behind me, and I'm now pressing towards the mark of the high calling. We're going for the mark of the People's National Party. We're going to win Bellefield Division. And then if they cry blood, we're going to win it. If they cry tears, we're going to win it. If they drop down dead, we're going to win it. Because we know what the people of the Bellefield Division is gifted for. And it's about PNP every time, every day, every minute, every hour. I hear she say, she don't want to win Bellefield, but she wants to suppress the Bellefield votes. I hear that Labour Day, she come around and she pay $150,000. Run a Blue Mountain for them clean road. Labour Day, man, not get money for clean road. Community come out and clean up them place. Money can buy many things. But let me tell you about something. Money cannot buy love. But you have a problem. I said I'll take heed to my ways. But our problem is if you don't know the boundaries of your constituency, you're going to be in problem. Because when she campaign in a nickel constituency. She campaign in the whole award avenue that is Mikel constituency. And sometimes when she campaign in a Hazard constituency. Because she don't know where our boundaries is. But comrade, if since them in a little problem, I'm going to take them out of their misery. Because if you patron a man, she say a she. If you patron a Bellefield, she say a she. If you patron in a rifle, she take it say a fear. And if you bush the road, she say a she bush the road. But comrades, I have sat on this Bellefield High School board for 25 years. Listen to me, 25 years. I sat on this high school board. And for the classrooms we building at the back, and the classrooms we built before, and the bus we buy for the school, and the fix up of the school, tell her if you challenge me and tell me how much money she spending at Bellefield High School. Some people, I take them hand and show God. But when we stand up before Jesus, me want to show him for me hand. Eh? Me born a yard, so me and a jacket. Me born a yard, so they swap me a hospital. And me know my father. And now I say nothing but I'm going to behave myself tonight. Comrades, hold it, Mr. Musician. I make sure I write my speech because me don't want nobody tell no lie upon me. So if you call me tomorrow, I say, see a copy of my speech here. Amen. But I hear Norman Mandy calling me. I hear Michael Mandy calling me. I hear PJ calling me. I hear Portia calling me. I hear Peter Phillips calling me. And I hear Marky G, come Donovan, we're ready because time come. We shall bring Bellefield Division into the fold of the People's National Party once and for all.
My father born ya.
But if they think we did done, we just a come. Thursday, about 5 car loader, we start at Williamsfield. Myself and comrade Paul Bell. And we decide we're going to test the water, see where PNP business be. Me not tell me people them in a riot flat. Me not tell the people them in the other communities. We not tell Bellefield, we say we're going to drive out to see where PNP business look like. And comrade, Garland scrap it boy. When I leave down a Williamsfield, I leave with 5 car. And by the time I get a riot flat, we have 10. By the time I go up in a new hall, we have about 15. By the time I go in a Mayday, he block off. And Lord have mercy when we go in a Cedar Grove. River come down bank to bank. We lock off Cedar Grove. That is the strength of the People's National Party. Because when I come into Bellefield and I travel from Davidton, and I go to Chantilly, and I go Rodentown, and I go Shansill, and I go Content, and I go Neposton, and I go Strickland, and I go Bottom Coffee Grove, and I go Clarkstown, and I go Pitchover Pond. The people them say, boy, it look like John Jr. send you come. Where John Jr. Miss Ramsey there, because you look like the old-time politician who understands the people, who walk with the people, who live with the people, who sing with the people, who will carry the People's National Party over the bank so that we can win the next general election.
My father born ya.
Well, let me say, musician are trying to keep within text. Right, comrades? I'm trying to keep within text because I know my communicators are here and I want to behave myself. But it is bad to put a preacher and a politician at this time of the night when some other things you feel, some other things coming. But the People's National Party members of parliament, they are not thieves. We not thief fertilizer and sell it when the farmers forget it. We not sell farm work cards when the young people them want the farm work card, and we sell it to a friend them, and when they go at the test, they fail and them cuss you as member of parliament. So hear me, young people. Hear me, farmers. You need a member of parliament who is looking out for the farmers of Bellefield, who is looking out for the young people of Bellefield. Because I tell you yesterday, Comrade Hassan, I just went into Mayday. I was circling, you know, comrades having them like a party, and circling, and we stop and we buy some food and we play some music. And when I see the talent that is in central Manchester, how the young people them can sing, I will tell you that we will have to sit down, Comrade Palwell, and we've got to build about 3 or 4 studios, because the young people them in a central Manchester, they are gifted, they are bright, they are young, they are ready to make sure that central Manchester, they lift up their heads and we build this country together, because they are the future of central Manchester. Farmers, don't worry yourself. Your council don't get seeds and fertilizer. But if you want seeds and fertilizer, vote for your member of parliament. I'm making it abundantly clear. I'm not promising central Manchester Bellefield no pipe water. But Comrade Hassan, B-Riggs did build some tank up here. Norman Manley built some tank in a Bellefield. And some of the comrades nearly end up a prison for them tank there. We are going to repair those tanks. We are going to fill them with water. We're going to pipe them to people's houses and make them have some water until the research is completed. And Comrade Hassan and I, up in the hills of Garloki, over in a peace river, fix up the system so that you can get some pipe water, because we are doing the study, and you can trust my word, we are going to make it happen. Just wait a little longer. Everybody know I love Porus. I love Porus like how Jesus loved little children. And when I go down to Porus, and I see the community center in Porus, how it run down, I look bad. We are going to fix it up. We're going to bring it to the pristine thing, because it is a Norman Manley community center, and he is from Manchester, and we should make him proud. So we're going to fix up the community center. But you know what we're going to do? I believe that Porus can be a storage hub where we build some storage facility, and business people can put their things in storage and move it into the other parts of Manchester. But comrades, Comrade Hassan is the opposition spokesman on roads. And he promised me, like all them do out of Freetown, that we are going to make sure we connect Porus to the highway, so that the people of Porus can drive on the highway, come off of the highway, and come into Porus, because you deserve the best. Comrades, Porus is for us. We are going to make you proud. We have a hard court down there, we're going to fix it up. For the young girls, they want to put on them shorts and play netball. And make the man them look upon them. We are going to make central Manchester nice again. Comrades, I had a talk with Marky G when we toured your constituency. And I want you to listen to me carefully. I look at the lands in content. And I look at the lands between Blue Mountain and Top Coffee Grove. And we have acres of land, and Marky G promised me deliver Central Manchester to him, and we will build 2 housing developments in this constituency so that the people of Central Manchester can live a good and proper life. It's 50,000 in the first term, and I want to make sure that Central Manchester is in that number. So we're going to do the right thing. We're going to make sure we get up early and vote. And I want in the little weak man them. Nobody do nothing the night before election because they don't love to sleep. Forget that until after election day. I'm talking to the farmers. Come and vote then go ground. And shopkeepers don't open no shop round the back. I want every voter to come out and vote because we need every single vote that the PNP has in the Bellefield division. I'm on my final 2 things. I want to look at this Bellefield division. They promised us that they will take Bellefield division off shift. And up till now, they have done nothing. It is my commitment to you in Bellefield. Because when I see the children have to wake up so early in the morning coming from Upper Garlogi. And when I see the children have to come out so early in the 5:30 in the mornings to reach school for 7 o'clock, my stomach yearn. And I promise you that when I win, we are going to take Bellefield High School off the shift system so that your children can come to school and go home to their parents. But not only that, the past students of Bellefield School say I should change the name to Caswell Burton High School. Because Mr. Burton has done so much for Bellefield High School. But he was the first principal of this school. And he's alive in the 90s. But not only that, and every day I'm saying no one, nobody do not name nothing after him. But he fought and he fought. He fight hard. And we will name the Bellefield Primary School after Comrade John Jr. He built it from scratch. Give a man what he deserves. He was a good MP. The best primary school in Jamaica land we love. In closing, basic school teachers, I have a commitment with my counselors that if we can get the basic schools right, we can get the children right. We are committed in making sure our little ones learn very well. So when they leave the basic schools, go to the primary schools, finish the high schools, they can read and write. You remember when we got primary school, then it says reading, writing, and arithmetic? Reading, writing, and arithmetic. We will have our children doing their bless. When I went to primary school, I ate a lot of bulgantine, sardine, and brown bread. And we can't buy bulgur now. We can't buy sardine now because that's only rich people food. We can only buy a tin of flash out and some chicken back sometime. But we are going to make sure our children are fed at the basic school level so that when they are finished, we can have good products and the Bellfield division will be in good hands. Finally, talk to the business people in Bellefield Square. They said Bellefield need a facelift. The shop them needs to fix up. And we are going to make Bellefield into a new town. So that when you come up here, you don't want to leave Bellefield. Because Bellefield is a nice place to live. So my comrades, I am committing to you to give you proper representation. No social media representation. I will walk the hills of Garlogie with you. I go to the hills of Clarkstown, the bottom of Clarkstown with you. And when I go to Hope Village, I'll go to the hills of Strickland. I'll go over to Chantilly and Roden Town and Providence. And I will tell the people, my father sent me. One time is now. Market G time is now. The PNP time is now. So if you are ready for Market G, say power. No, sir, you sound like you don't know dinner. If you're ready for Market G, say power. If you're ready for PNP, say power. If you're ready for Donovan, say for everyone. Comrades, we shall see what we shall see. We are getting ready. We are ready for we know where we are going. And no green shirt with no $5,000 can turn your back. We are not for sale. Suffer a little bit longer with we. Because the struggles will soon be over. Oh, my comrades, see the signal. Waving in the sky. Reinforcements now appearing. Victory is nigh. We shall stand firm. We are fighting for a cause and fighting for the cause of the People's National Party. God bless you.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya.
Seize and settle. Comrade Paulwell has to leave. You know, the PNP have planned a big conference about the FID. Comrade Paulwell, I'm going to ask, Comrade O'Neill, Comrade Paulwell, before we make Comrade Isaac come to you, Comrade Paulwell, you can't come to country and we'll let you go back, so we have to give you a presentation. There are 3 baskets that I have, and I got those 3 baskets from the 3 major companies. Comrade Shana, Comrade, where's the Sue there? Sue, come. You see Sue right at the front there, so. Come, Comrade Paulwell, growing us, so. We are going to present, Comrade Paulwell, come at Thursday and get him food basket there. We're not giving him, I forgot market again. But we are going to give him something from the Pioneer factory. And I want to big up the comrades, well, the people from Pioneer. Yes. When PNP win, we are going to make down a William Seal and that area industrial belt because those major companies are here. So Comrade Paulwell, on behalf of the Bellefield division, I want to thank you for coming. Give a round of applause for the basket from Pioneer factory down in William Seal. Oh yes, sir. Thank you, Comrade Paulwell. But in the spirit of giving, that's why I take the mic from the chairman. EduTech Jamaica Limited, we get whole heap of sponsors, that's why we look at both. So. What are these? 2 tablets. I'm going to give away 2 tablets to 2 comrades from the Bellefield division. And we have even the case in the orange that is going to be here. So if you know your political history well, from EduTech Jamaica Limited, the Bellefield division is giving away 2 tablets this night. And I'm going to ask the first question. And any comrade from the Bellefield division who can answer the question will win the tablet to ensure that we continue connectivity. Name, first question, name the 2 female councillors who have served the Bellefield division already. A comrade from Bellefield. Comrade Jean Brown from the Bellefield group.
Brenda Ramsey and Beatrix.
What Beatrix stand for?
Beatrice Riggs.
Tio. Come, Comrade Pinky, come. So, Comrade Ramsey, come. Come, Comrade Ramsey. One more question to go. Comrade Ramsey present Comrade Pinky with this. Go right at the front. Yes, both Comrade Ramsey.
You notice that we are both BRs. Brenda and Beatrice.
Well, say nobody from the group supposed to answer. All right. Final question for the second tablet that we have from EduTech Jamaica Limited. We have only for sponsor. So, name 4 male councillors who have served the Bellefield division already. Think on the bright. Yeah, man. Nika, you don't know? Mangoose, you don't know? One, you don't know? 4 male councillors. Come, Miss J. Come, Miss J. Name 4 male councillors who have served the Bellefield division and they win this tablet.
Winston Jones.
All right. 4 male councillors. May I make it hard? 4 male councillors. One you can try.
I try, I go try, you know. I go try. Mario Mitchell. Money say. Junior Parkinson. I want 2 more. But I'm coming. Councillor, you say? No, you say, you know, I just to my brain kind of a little bit naggy, but me I go bring it back. Mr. Newman.
You're wrong, sir. Come, Mr. Gale. Come, Mr. Gale. Mr. Gale, try. Mr. Gale there first. Come, Mr. Gale, try.
You have Cecil Stoltz, U.D. Phillips, Maria Mitchell, Junior Parkinson.
No, repeat. Where's the mayor? All right. Come, Mr. Gale. Come up, so come take a picture. No, man, Mr. Gale get it already, man. Give Mr. Gale a round of applause. One of the stalwarts. Uncle Neville, don't worry yourself. Our next prize will be here for you. You hear what he said? 4 male councillors. Mario Mitchell, that's me. U.D. Phillips, that's a Peter Phillips and Mickey Phillips' grandfather. Cecil Stoltz and Junior Parkinson, who is a lawyer overseas now. Enough respect to him. Come, Mayor. Come, next MP. Present Mr. Gale with this, sir. Yeah, man. This is Mr. Gale, stalwart comrade right here in Bellefield. Comrades, we have our guest speaker to speak. And we have one more performance that we're going to surprise you with after the guest speaker. Mr. Chairman, come do your work now, sir.
Say me not frightened so easy. All when me rolling with me army, them no scare me. Me represent. We not afraid that no. When we done with Portland, every vase of it. When we done with Portland, every vase of it. When we done with Portland, every vase of it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, comrades from here and afar, it's now time to hear from our